Okay, we've got our head all sanded down, so you can see. So we've been wiping it off to get all the sawdust off of it so we can seal it. In the mouth. So we're taking some wood filler that we're using. I added a little bit of water to make it a little more pasty so it'll spread easier. And we're going to coat the entire head with it to seal it. Then we'll sand it down. I'm going to let it sit probably for a day or two. Let it dry real good. And then we'll sand it all down. Touch up what we need to touch up. And at that point we should be ready for painting. So you can see where you got these screw holes here. You just want to take a little bit and fill it in. And for the ears, I want to put a little bit in the ears, which probably take more than once. Normally once you sand it down, you can see where it is sunk in some, so it's not a big deal. So I do that first so it has a chance to set up a little bit. But that's why I drill so I can inset that screw so I can cover it up so it doesn't stick out. You take a little bit on your finger to spread it in, also to smooth it out if you need to. So I start in the center and work my way out. Normally around the eyes and the nose, and then work my way around from that point. Like I say, put a little water on your finger and you can spread it out a little easier. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. By using a little water on your finger, you can smooth it out a little better. So we're just going to continue on, get the whole head and cover the head and the mouth, and then we'll be ready for the next step. So thanks for watching.